Are you getting the unable to preview error while uploading YouTube Shorts rendered from DaVinci Resolve? Here is a quick and simple fix. Important note, the solution works only with DaVinci Resolve 19 and above. Please make sure you are using 19 or later. If not, download the latest version and try this fix. Step-by-step solution. While rendering your YouTube Shorts video in DaVinci Resolve, go to the File section located above the Export Video panel. Look for the checkbox labeled Rendered Without Timecode and make sure to check it. Proceed with the rendering the video and upload in YouTube Shorts and check the error will be resolved. That's it. Unable to preview error should now be resolved. If this fix worked for you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends who are else using DaVinci Resolve and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.